Now let's set the Multimatic 200 up for aluminum welding in the MIG welding mode. A parameter chart and setup guide are inside the door if you have setup questions. To connect the spool gun, first make sure your machine is powered off and open the side door. Move the gun from its case and plug it into the drive casting. Make sure your gun is seated all the way into the drive casting. Tighten the gun connection to the receptacle with a threaded side knob. While the machine is still off, plug the drive lead into the positive receptacle and turn clockwise to tighten. Then route the control cable to the 4-pin connection. Twist the collar to tighten. Carefully route the trigger lead through the small slot in the front of the compartment and close the door. Next, insert the work cable into the negative receptacle and turn clockwise to tighten. Now the machine is set to DCEP, or electrode positive. For aluminum welding, you'll need to use 100% argon shielding gas. Connect the free end of the gas hose to the MIG gas solenoid located on the back panel of the Multimatic 200. Tighten with a wrench. Select your process by choosing the MIG aluminum mode on the process selection knob of the control panel and turn your machine on. Now thread the wire. Open the cover of the spool gun canister and take off the contact tip. Take and unspool 8 to 12 inches of wire. Snip and straighten the wire. Then slide the wire into the red inlet tube and tighten to the drive rolls. Now, pull the trigger of the gun and allow the wire to feed, making sure it travels to the barrel of the gun and feeds out the end. Replace the spool gun cover, and remember to select the contact tip that matches your wire diameter. Reinstall the nozzle and the proper contact tip. When correctly set up, the tip will be recessed 1/8 of an inch. You will want to set the drive roll tension on your spool gun to low to minimize any distortion of the wire. Finally, select the wire diameter and material thickness if you're using the Auto Set Elite feature, or voltage and wire feed speed if you're using the manual mode to dial in your welding parameters. Setting up the Multimatic 200 to weld aluminum is as easy as that.